Number 8. A biologist puts an initial population of 500 bacteria into a growth plate. The population is expected to double every 4 hours. Which of the following equations gives the expected number of bacteria n after x days and 24 hours is equal to 1 day? So as we can see on the answer choices, our equation will look like this. The number of bacteria, 500, and we know that it doubles, so it has to be 2 because the population doubles. And now we know that the exponent has an x, but we still need something more because x days, and we know that the population doubles every 4 hours, and 24 hours has 1 day. So we divide 24 by 4. This will be the number of times per day the population doubles. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. That means that the population doubles 6 times per day. And the 6 is associated with the days. So the exponent has to be 6 times 6. This is the equation that represents the expected number of bacteria. The initial population doubles 6 times the number of days. So the right answer is B. Number 9. X squared plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 5. Which of the following values of x satisfies the equation above? This satisfies means that the equation is consistent. In other words, we need one value of x that added will be 5 equal to 5. So that demonstrates that the equation is consistent. We can try these values for x. If x is equal to 7, 7 times 7 is 49, plus 5 times 7 is 35, minus 9 is equal to 5. No. 49 plus 35 minus 9 is equal to 75. And 75 is not equal to 5. So it cannot be A. If x is equal to 3, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5 times 3 is 15, minus 9 is equal to 5. We can cancel out the 9s. We have 15 is equal to 5. No. So x is not equal to 3. It cannot be B. So the next one, x is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 to the square is positive 4. Plus 5 times minus 2 is negative 10. Minus 9 is equal to 5. No, because 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Negative 6 minus 9 is negative 15. And negative 15 is not equal to 5. So the right answer has to be D. But let's verify that. X is equal to negative 7. Negative 7 to the square is positive 49. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. minus 9 is equal to 5. 49 minus 35 is 14. Minus 9 is 5. And yes, finally 5 is equal to 5. So that means that the value of x that satisfies this equation is negative 7. The right answer is D.